In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add people here on Discord. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to get started, go ahead and hit this back arrow up in the very top left corner of your screen if you are in a chat, and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. You may be on a server. Simply go ahead and scroll up to the top and select the little message icon up at the very top. And from here, you will see two different things. You'll see a little thing that looks like a message or mail. Select that, and that's going to open up any message request. You can scroll through here and add someone in here if you would like. Or you can alternatively just hit add friends, and this will go ahead and show you not only your incoming friend request, which you can go ahead and accept, but it'll also give you the opportunity to search people by their username. And as soon as you search them by their username, go ahead and hit send friend request, and it'll send them a friend request. Once they accept that request, they'll be added to your friends list and you can start chatting right away. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.